Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the temperature control board in your refrigerator. If your model has a small control panel near the top of the fridge, then it has a temperature control board. This lets you adjust the temperature of the fridge and freezer compartments. The board might also help regulate power to the rest of the unit. If the board is faulty, it might prevent one or more of the components from working. Control boards are pretty simple to replace, but are non-returnable after installation. A lot of problems can also be caused by other components, so it's best to do some tests first. You can learn more in the troubleshooting videos linked below. Now, if you're confident that the control board is faulty, then let's get started. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. First, remove the outer cover. Release the retaining tabs or remove any mounting screws. Now, lower the control module. It's best to take a picture of the wires for reference. If needed, unclip the temperature sensor. Now, disconnect the wires. Finally, remove the control module. The board might be held in by screws or by mounting tabs. Release the tabs to remove the board. Align the new control board into the mounts. And make sure that the board is held firmly in place. First, reconnect the wires. Now push the temperature sensor into the mount. Align the mounting tabs and push the control module into place. If needed, tighten any screws. Now, replace the cover. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now, slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now, test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.